Morning guys, see you again in my channel. Today we've got S7 and we're gonna fit some new multimedia device. First of all, what we've got here is a 3G Plus. Here you can see the database version and the media version. It's quite good stuff, you know, for basic things like streaming audio from Bluetooth device. It's quite comprehensive, you know. We got storage also. Here you can see the option we got jukebox and, you know, space for SD cards. Then basically you got two SD cards here. You can also put SIM card on it. Then we've got Bluetooth device and Wi-Fi connection, but we can't stream video and Waze. There is no Apple CarPlay. That's why we're gonna install our device. And basically I found something like this. Price was quite good, but what is inside and what this device actually provide. Then on the box we can see some icons, plug and play, blah blah blah, CarPlay, Android Auto, media, mirroring cam, DVR. It's designed for A6, A7, A8, C7 between 2012-2017. What is inside the box? We got model itself. Let me try take this out. That's how it looks like. We've got the instruction. Obviously this item is second-hand use, then we're gonna be extra careful to not damage anything, as we want to return if something is wrong. You never know what's gonna happen. We got full instruction. Also we got some sort of bunch of cables here. Hopefully everything is complete. And once it's gonna be connected, we should receive display like this. Without that, okay, then basically all of these connectors are plug and play. You disconnect one, connect the other one. Shouldn't be difficult. I did more difficult and advanced things in my life. Then, as far as I know, what we have to do, we have to remove AC panel, which is located below the media unit. Once we're gonna remove this, we're gonna remove media unit. Also, glove box has to be removed because we have to locate somewhere that device. And the best place is just on top of the glove box or behind the glove box. We will see when we got enough space to do it. Then we're gonna install it. Shouldn't be anything difficult, but you never know. Later on, to access our device, there is an instruction how to do it. Quite easy and straightforward. I believe there shouldn't be any, you know, mysterious things to do. Easy, straightforward. We'll see how long it's gonna take. Then let's start. Okay, then glove box I just dropped down here. There's some devices already here, probably some tracking. Also AC controller and the main unit is removed. The worst part of this party here, there is a bunch of these cables. They're gonna be very high to put it back up there. It's not easy, but basically I'm a mechanic, then probably I will figure out. Someone installed this before, then why shouldn't? Okay, let's start connect all our devices. Okay guys, everything is connected. I put almost everything back together. Here we've got our extra device, and now we're gonna try figure out how to connect that to our phone and the MMI unit. And let me read some instruction advices and I will back to you at a minute. And here we go. It's quite easy and simple, to be honest. You just have to connect Bluetooth device and your phone. The Bluetooth device is up there. Just find it on your list, connect it, and coming straight away in your screen. Nice and simple, to be honest. I'm quite surprised. Easy to install, but we will see how it's gonna work. Okay guys, there is few more bits you have to do with that device. It's not like plug and play and gonna play straight away. The first things to operate by these buttons here, include volume and all this, you have to connect extra wire. Extra wire goes to the main quad lock plug, and you got white yellow cable here. This is the controller from the MMI controller. It's a signal, sorry, cable signal from the MMI controller, and it has to be connected with a blue wire. Later I'm gonna do it a bit better quality connection, but for testing purposes like it is. The other thing, you have to go green menu, which is holding car and menu, and then we're gonna wait till green menu is gonna pop up. Okay, we got green menu, and then we have to activate aux thing. Then we go in diagnose, we go in setting, we go in AMI aux, and the last position aux in my typical case is already enabled because I did it before, but without this the sound's not gonna came from the device to our main unit. Then let's back to this screen. We're gonna press here, let's do media, and then select source. Once you're gonna select source, you're gonna see external audio input. Without this, it's not gonna work. Then once you changing your things on green menu, you have to reset MMI, and mostly that's it. Then we're going external audio input. I have to switch ignition on one more time. Basically I've got connected cable, but can be via Bluetooth as well. Then as you see, the blue LED lights is flashing, that means it's active. And now we've got shut up. And now we got connection with our phone. Obviously by the original MMI controller we can control our device. Let's go, for example, maps. We see maps. There is the settings. We can use our settings wherever we like. Obviously it's not my car, then I'm gonna leave it all these setups for my friend, and he's gonna do it himself. And basically that's how it works. I can show you the music, because once I'm gonna play music, my phone's gonna disconnect from that view. But let me try. But I don't think so. It's gonna work. Let's go. Last plate. Then we got here. And basically I can record and play music at the same time. Anyway, working fine. Music streaming is quite good quality. I hope my friend Neil is gonna be happy how it works. And let me connect everything together, and then we can close the business. Okay, media unit and the AC controller came back on place. Here also is everything sorted. Now I'm gonna just lift it up, screw it in, and we can proper test it. Okay, here we go. Everything is back together. Now we got view from Apple CarPlay. In a glove box we've got the USB cable if you wanna connect our device. How to disconnect? Now it even show us the battery is low. Okay, how to disconnect this view, because let's say we want to use original equipment. Now we have to play nav, and then it's automatically switching on the original media unit. Quite simple to use, as I said. What can I say more? Just to have to enjoy this. Not me, but Neil. Then hopefully all's gonna work fine, faultless, and Neil's gonna be happy for it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.